Bissell Little Green Review. The Bissell Little Green is a portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. This handy machine has a 48-ounce tank to hold cleaning solutions and a dirty water receptacle. Similar to a wet vacuum, the machine sucks up the liquid as you clean. The handle has a trigger-activated spray nozzle to release the cleaning solution. And a handy 3-inch soft brush tool snaps into place with the click of a tiny button. The footprint of this machine is compact, measuring 17 inches by 8 inches, and it's just under 14 inches tall, so it easily slips into a cabinet when it's not in use. The carrying handle is strong and substantial for easy transport, and the unit weighs just under 10 pounds when the tanks are empty. Bissell's Little Green machine has a 15-foot power cord and a 4-foot hose that accommodates a variety of detachable cleaning tools. Why I like it. 1. Great cleaning power. The Little Green strong suction quickly and easily pulls wet spills from carpets and fabrics without abrading them, like rubbing or blotting with a cloth can. Plus, the cleaning solution dispenses uniformly and works without the need to oversaturate the carpet or chair cushion, which can also cause damage. I evenly misted the soiled parts of my couch and rug with the cleaning solution and carefully worked the suction brush over the offending areas, watching in equal horror and delight as stains and dirt spots lightened before my eyes, said Tyke. She used it on a fabric couch and a ruggable area rug, and was shocked by how much dirt came up from the very low pile. The Little Green doesn't feature a rotating brush, but the multiple rows of stationary brushes on the stain tool effectively work the cleaner into stains well enough to dissolve them. In the lab, we tested it with great success, removing fresh and 24-hour set in red wine, blueberry pie filling, spaghetti sauce, tea stains, and more. It totally erased a peanut butter stain on the side of my couch, and while the Little Green didn't lift old, stubborn, set-in stains entirely, it definitely lessened their appearance, said Tyke, who sprayed those stubborn stains with additional cleaner and let it sit before suctioning a second and third time. Finally, rinsing is an important last step to remove any residual stain and cleaner. Failing to do so can leave a dirt-trapping sticky residue behind on your fabric or carpet. With the Bissell Little Green, rinsing is as easy as filling the clean water tank with fresh water and thoroughly spraying and suctioning the area for the most complete clean. Even a quick once-over gave my carpet and couch a noticeably fresher look, Tyke continued. I didn't even realize how gross and dingy they'd looked until I got to cleaning, and now, I can't unsee it. Easy to use. All it takes to use this appliance is to dilute the cleaner with water in the clean water tank, plug it in, turn it on, and it's ready to go. I barely needed the user manual, said Tyke, who said she typically struggles to understand new appliances. Really, all you need to do is turn the machine on with the flip of a switch, press the trigger on the handle to dispense the cleaner, and then work the brush over the dampened area to lift up the gunk. The machine operates more loudly than she expected, but watching fur, dirt, and debris visibly rush into the dirty water tank was grossly satisfying, she said. When it was time to empty the machine, our testers loved the large, easy-to-grab top handle, which made it easy to lift and carry. Both water tanks are easy to remove and replace, and the hose, though not the longest we've seen, does make it easier to reach into tight spaces. I had no problem toting the Little Green around to every corner of my 8x10 rug, said Tyke, though I do wish the hose was a little longer. Still, the long power cord made it easy to move the entire machine with me as needed. 3. Thanks to its oval footprint, wraparound hose, and cord loop, Bissell's Little Green is a cinch to store. Its streamlined design and slim profile mean that it's simple to set on a shelf or closet floor, and even during use, it sits neatly on a stair step or slips between the front and back seats of the car to better reach where other bulkier cleaners can't, although it may be a little bulky in smaller apartments or spaces. Bissell Little Green product comparison. As a leader and innovator in the cleanup business, Bissell makes machines that tackle tough messes. If you're looking for a heavy-duty carpet cleaner, Bissell has a style, bundle, or size to suit your needs. For a few dollars more than the original, grab the Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe in gray or blue. This bundle comes with the 3-inch brush tool, self-cleaning hose attachment, plus a stain trapper tool, as well as an 8-ounce trial bottle of Pet Oxy Boost and Pet Spot and Stain formula. Pet owners aren't the only people who need carpet cleaning tools that can work for multiple surfaces. Similar to the original Bissell Little Green, the portable Little Green HydroSteam is a multitasking machine. Not only does it deep clean carpet and upholstery, but it also includes a hard surface cleaning tool for tile or hardwood floors. What's even better is that the HydroSteam adds the deep cleaning power of steam. The HydroSteam model has 3 clean settings for more control, in addition to more powerful suction for quicker drying times. The larger tanks make this steam cleaner a little heavier, but the portable profile makes it easy to store and transport. The Revolution HydroSteam adds a heightened level of deep cleaning to this upright machine with steam. Our editors tested the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner with incredible results. In addition to its easy-to-use upright wheel design, the HydroSteam has a hose attachment for cleaning upholstery and hard-to-reach places. This little green machine works great for upholstery and spot cleaning carpets. I like the lightweight portability and compact footprint of the little green machine. Whether you need to clean your car or treat a stain in the middle of your staircase, the 15-foot power cord gives you the flexibility to do it. I'm confident that the Bissell little green machine cleans deeper than my old blotting method or spraying and vacuuming any kind of mess. Luckily, I never noted any scent of soured milk on my sectional, because the Bissell washed it away. The machine is stable and steady when sitting on the floor. It's durable and works well to spot clean fresh messes. Plus, it's user-friendly and simple to operate. The only flaw I found while using this machine for several months was the 4-foot hose. Honestly, it could use a few more feet to reach the back of a tall chair, upholstered headboard, or deep couch. Another downside is that the hose doesn't swivel at the base, and as a result, I spent a lot of time adjusting the angle of the machine for a comfortable reach. Not a deal breaker, but worthy of noting just the same. I'm not a fan of the manufacturer's recommendation to exclusively use Bissell cleaners in the machine. However, I was pleased that the cleaner was included in the bundle and the bottle should last me a long time.